dumpster rental service in Jasper, Indiana. Are you planning a big project? MK Rolloffs is here to provide top-quality dumpster rental service in Jasper, Indiana. We know that waste removal is crucial to any project, and we're here to ensure it's handled efficiently. Whether you're working on a home cleanout, renovation, or commercial project, we have a dumpster right for you. Our team offers various dumpster sizes to fit projects large and small. We pride ourselves on providing fast delivery and pickup to keep your timeline on track. Our knowledgeable staff is happy to guide you through the process and help you select the best option. We believe in fair pricing without hidden fees or surprises. As a local company, we're dedicated to providing reliable service to the Jasper community. We maintain our dumpsters to the highest standards to ensure your satisfaction. We're equipped to handle everything from household junk to construction debris. We're committed to making your cleanup simple, convenient, and stress-free. Trust us to help make your project a success from start to finish. Call MK Rolloffs at 812-798-7308, and let's get started on your Jasper project today.